Hi, welcome to another video brought to you by Autowave. In this video, we have a 2020 Nissan Navara, which needs a spare key programming. So in this video, we're going to use the XTool X100 Pad Elite European version, available from Autowave exclusively in the UK. So we've got the customer's original key, and as you can see on the dashboard, when I press unlock, it's the remote's working fine. And when I start the vehicle starts absolutely fine. I'm just going to turn that off, and now when I use this aftermarket key, which is an AUT RK0228, available from Autowave, ID46 version of key, it doesn't work, and obviously it's not programmed. I've still got this vehicle in the car right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to diagnosis, hit Nissan, hit agree. I'm going to select program keys, select from vehicle. We're in Europe, and go to the Nissan Navara, and it's a smart key system. So I'm going to hit that one. Now it shows on here 14 to 17. This is a 2020 version. Knowing that these changed over at about 15, 16, I'm going to select that one. Take all smart keys out of the car and press the start button. So I'm just going to give the two smart keys to my colleague, who will now step out of the vehicle. The steering is actually just locked. As you can see, it's locked, and it's saying to me, press the start button. So I'm pressing the start button, and it says no key detected. So then I'm going to hit OK, program smart keys, and now it says switch ignition off. So there's obviously no dashboard lights, and I'm going to hit OK. Has a steering lock been released? And it hasn't, so I'm going to hit no, and if we listen out, it's just unlocked the steering lock. So it says release success. So I'm going to hit OK. So it says put the back of the smart key to be programmed on the start button and press the start button and wait for the security light to extinguish. So if we watch the dashboard, I'm going to first of all take the original key, because you have to program the original key back in, and I put it on the start button and hit the start button, and you see here that light is flashing and then it stops. So now that the security light is extinguished. So now what I'm going to hit on the screen, I'm going to hit OK. Program success, whether to program the next one. So I'm going to hit yes. Switch ignition off. Ignition is now off. Hit OK. Put the back of the smart key to be programmed on the start button, and do the same. So as you'll see, I'm going to put my key there, press the start button, and you see here we're flashing, and now we're off. It does say key system fault, that's fine. Then I'm going to hit on my device OK. Program success, whether to program the next one, no. Switch ignition off. Turn the ignition off, hit OK. Put the back of the program smart key on the start button and start the car. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that on there and just press the clutch and start the vehicle. Said key system fault, but it did start the vehicle. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the vehicle off, hit OK on the screen, and now that's finished the procedure. So now I've got a programmed key, and if I just one by one take the keys out of the vehicle. So first of all, I'm going to take the aftermarket key out of the vehicle. It will just step outside. As you can see, the steering has now locked itself again. I've got the original key. I press the central lock in, it's working fine, and then I start the vehicle and it works fine. On the dashboard, there should not be any warning lights now. There we go, no warning lights on the dashboard. So now I'm going to take that key out of the vehicle. The steering is locked again, so that key is now outside, and now I've got my aftermarket key. Just take that key out of the vehicle. So I've got my aftermarket key in my hand. Now I'm going to hit the unlock button. As you can see, the unlock and lock button works, and now I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle. You've started the vehicle, and there's no warning lights on the dashboard. So what we've done is, using the XTool Pad Elite, we've programmed a spare Nissan Smart Key into 2020 Nissan Navara. Just so you know, which we get a lot of questions about BCMs and BCMs being bricked in Nissans, this particular vehicle doesn't fall within that bracket, so you don't have to worry about that on a 2020 Nissan Navara. Right, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment, like and subscribe to our channel, and all products available on autowave.co.uk.